Get a feel for the 2016 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, 6-speed AT, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.